So today is day one of our barn build project.
We're going to be building a 40 by 64 foot building with a 14-foot lean-to down the front. We're going to have a large 14 by 14 overhead door in the front and a 10 by 10 overhead door in the back.
And what are we working on today?
And today we're going to start by lowering the grade under the lean-to area, as that's going to sit a few inches lower than the main shop floor.
Today we're going to show you how we tackled pouring all the concrete footings for our new barn.
Somehow I gotta draw all this material across the driveway without making too much mess.
What do you think of the excavator? What do you think of it, buddy? Whoever designed this thing. the barn.
The original plan was to hire out the concrete, but after seeing the quotes, we realized it wasn't going to be in the budget. So with the incredible help of our kids, family, and friends, we were able to tackle this huge project ourselves.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Yeah, so we can take a corner right now.
Fun, Mom, when we get them together.
Yeah. Gotta be very careful.
And then go. Yeah, because that's
16 on center, the way they got it.
Yeah. So we'll go. That'll be our first one, 21.
32.
And 32, 64. Like that.
Well, if you mark the first one, I can hold
Yeah.
the tape, just run it out and go.
Yeah.
Let's do that quick. And
So what did we say? 21.
Aren't these cool, Grandpa?
21 center off the inside of the form for
Inside
the
the
first
form,
one.
21 center.
For the first one.
Okay. So tomorrow concrete trucks are coming, and today we're going to work on getting our vertical rebar dowels in.
I'm gonna run back if we went out and get in the bag. I'll run back and see if we're running out and get into the bag.
I'm just going to square it up. No.
No.
So you're just going to take this. You're going to pull it tight, and then you're just going to take one hand and do this.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
The Band-Aid is not the same as gloves.
I just go.
Ah!
Oh boy.
Now look.
It's a smiley face. Aww. Look at that.
And Houston.
Albany and Houston?
They sent a manager down there to open up a
That's you.
branch in Houston.
If you like seeing us pour our own footers, please give this video a like and subscribe to follow our barn building journey. And we'll see you in the next one.